Imagine being 9 years old, coming home from school to find your parent dead. What if you were sexually assaulted and your clothing was taken into evidence? What would you wear? If your neighbor's house caught fire and the whole family only had the clothes on their back, how would they stay warm? These are all actual events in which Assistance League of East Valley has been able to help. ASK, or Assault Survivor Kits, is a program that helps victims of trauma, providing them with clothing kits, hygiene bags, blankets, cleaning supplies, teddy bears, and much more, including snacks and water.
The Chandler Fire Department's Crisis Response Unit is extremely thankful for the partnership that we have with the Assistance League of the East Valley. They supply us with 85% of the supplies that are on our van.
Is the variety, the sizes, providing not just the shorts and the shirt, but the sports bra and the underwear and the things that especially women can use in a moment that typically is powerless.
We didn't have any clothing kits to provide our victims of sexual assault. We want to make sure that victims have their dignity, and clothing gives people dignity.
Last year, the ASK program served over 5,000 victims, and our committed volunteers donated over 600 hours to the ASK program.
And without them, I don't know what we would do, honestly.
This is Al, our little fire bear. It stands for the Assistance League. Al has made a big difference in a lot of lives.
The Phoenix Suns can help Assistance League continue to make a difference for victims in the East Valley.
We are just so incredibly thankful that they decided to take us on.